the harbor at first light, with a patched up coat and a mindset right. No gilded chest in any port for me, just open waters where a soul can breathe. Raise the sail, let the old hull lean. Salt in my beard, keep my thinking clean. No quest for gold, pulling me off course. My prize is the ride and the rolling force. Some men barterless for glittering piles, chasing tall tales spun in tavern aisles. But I found truth in the creak of a rope, in the open swell where a man grows whole. Raise the sail, let the old hull lean. Salt in my beard keeps my thinking clean. No quest for gold, pulling me off course. My prize is the ride and the rolling force. If the storm decides to test my name, I'll grip the mast and stand in the rain. No map to follow, no list of demands, just the wheel, the wind, and my two hands. Raise the sail, let the old hull lean. Salt in my beard keeps my thinking clean. No quest for gold, pulling me off course. My prize is the ride and the rolling force. A free man's coin is the open sea, and that's the only wealth I'll ever